Morning everyone, hope you're well. Just thought I'd show you this block of ebony that we've just had in. So it's just over 60 centimetres tall. It's just over 10 square. Must weigh about 10 kilos. So there's a couple of different types of ebony. This isn't African ebony. This is actually Indonesian mun ebony, sometimes called pale moon. It's slightly different colour to pale moon, but interesting stuff. It's hard, it's heavy, it's perfect for cue butts, and it's difficult to get hold of in good sizes. So I'll bring you in a bit closer and show you the figure that's in this, because it's quite amazing. First thing we need to do before we go anywhere is change the blade on the bandsaw. So the bandsaw, the blade is quite new, but it's probably cut 25-30 boards of ash and maple, each one 5 foot long, and it's probably 4 or 5 cuts per board, so it's cut a hell of a lot. So we'll swap it out for a new blade. Interestingly, if you want bandsaw blades, the best place you can get them is Tough Saws. I didn't realise they're quite local to me, but I've always used Axminster blades for my saw because it's an Axminster saw. Tried a couple of other brands and they've never been quite as good. But when I tried the Tough Saws ones, I was staggered, to be honest, how good they are. So I've got a different type that I've never tried before. It's an M42 blade, which tends to be the most expensive ones. But if it works and it lasts longer, then you know it's worth it all day long. So I've got quite a lot of exotics to rip down. So that'll probably be the best blade for the job. So we'll swap that out and then we'll start cutting this. So that's the first cut done, and when you open this up, I think you'd be surprised at the colours that are inside it. I'll bring you in for a closer look now, but let's just have a look. Yeah, that's what you're looking at, look. So I knew there was high figure in it when I bought it, but you could probably see that from there. So that's what we got after the first cut. Unbelievable stuff. Look at the marbling in that. That'll look amazing when it's on a finished cue. I knew it was figured when I bought it, and they'd sealed it with something that was quite dark coloured, so it looked very black in the original shots, but that's what we're working with. Quite amazing looking, that is. That gives you an idea of what it'll look like when it's oiled. So it'll darken up, but you'll still see the figure in it. But yeah, beautiful. Well pleased with that. So that's it for this video. Really pleased with how this has come out. Got 9 lovely pieces there. Really unique figure in it. Never seen anything quite like it, to be honest. But yeah, amazing stuff. Hard, heavy, perfect for queues. So this needs to be waxed. Just wax the ends. That stops the moisture escaping too quickly and it cracking. So this particular species of ebony is quite prone to cracking. So we'll wax it, leave it again. This will sit for easily a year before it's used. But yeah, hopefully we'll have something else to share with you soon. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time.